welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to be showing you some cauliflower wings. Now I don't know if you've been watching this show. I've made some cauliflower wings. I made some homemade cauliflower wings back in episode 22. This was in October 2015. And the one that I'm showing today, these are store-bought. This is not homemade. Okay, that was my first time actually making cauliflower wings. And the first time it didn't turn out that well because I didn't use a batter. Okay, this is what I did. I just I baked it, and then I didn't batter it with anything. Usually you're supposed to batter it before you coat it with the breading, but I didn't batter it. I just tried to coat it with the breading and then fry it. It didn't stick too well, so I did a second attempt on episode 23, and I bought some vegan sour cream because it has a light flavor, so it won't like interfere with the taste of the cauliflower wings. So on episode 23 I used vegan sour cream, and then I batter it with Louisiana fish fry. That tastes good. I like that one. And then I did a third attempt, but I didn't do a video for the third one. I just posted up the picture on Facebook. I used the vegan sour cream again, but I didn't use the fish fry this time. I used regular flour to batter it because I wanted to see the difference in the taste, whether with the fish fry, with the breading, or the regular flour. And they both turned out great. So check out episode 22 and episode 23. You can see how to make the homemade cauliflower wings. But the one I'm going to show you now is store-bought. They come with different sauces. Oh, also you can check the picture out on my Facebook page, which is Nosrat, N-O-S-R-A-T, Ahmed, A-H-M-E-D, or my other page, Plush2x Songs, P-L-U-S-H-T-W-O-X, Songs, S-O-N-G-S. Alright, here it is. Oh, by the way, there's two different kinds. I only have one today. This is the one with the ranch sauce. This brand also has one with hot sauce or whatever. But I don't really care for neither of the sauce. I use a different sauce because I didn't want any ranch or hot sauce. So I wanted something sweet and spicy, so I used General Tso's sauce. And that's what I did. And I glazed it up with the General Tso's sauce right here. This one here. And it's good. Check it out. You could glaze it with any kind of sauce, even if you have different kind of sauce. You don't have to use their sauce. This is their sauce. It comes frozen, by the way. This is unglazed. It actually tastes good. It don't need any sauce to me. I can eat it plain or I can eat it glazed. And I use General Tso's because this is the one I like. I didn't want ranch or hot sauce. I might use that for something else though, but I didn't like it on cauliflower wings. And this is the brand here. It's good. Let's see the ingredients. Not too much ingredients. Just how I like it. And that's it. Stay tuned with more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, and have a nice day. Bye.